Recent premium Mobile Legend gamers have been complaining. Unfortunately, they can't switch their Mobile Legend account from their device, which shows failed to switch because this account is not connected to any game data. Please try again. Now if you find that you can switch your Mobile Legends account and it keeps showing you an error, don't worry, because here I analyze the issues and I'll present the top 2 proven solutions that will fix the failed to switch issues. So let's get started. Before you watch and learn some steps, please ensure that you have a stable and steady internet connection. After that, first you need to open Play Games, tap 3 dot, tap Settings, and scroll down, tap Change Account for Games. Now you can change the account directly from here. Now if you even can change it from here, then tap Sign Out. Now you are not done yet. If you have logged into your Mobile Legend from your Google account or Facebook account, you need to remove the access from your Google account or Facebook account. First, remove your access from your Google account. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Google, tap Manage Google Account. Now you need to swipe it to Security. Scroll down, tap Control, Third Party Access, and find out your Mobile Legend. Tap Remove Access. Now if you have connected your games with your Facebook, open Facebook. Tap 3 dot. Tap Setting and Privacy. Tap Settings. Scroll down. Tap Apps and Website. Now find out the Mobile Legend and remove the app access from here. After that, following process, just reopen the Mobile Legend game. And here is your login access. Now if you want, you can switch your account from here if you want. Please let me know in the comment section if you still have issues with your Mobile Legend. Thanks for watching. See you all later.